Today we are differentiating using the quotient rule. The quotient rule is v times u prime minus u times v prime all over v squared. So let's look at the problem. The problem says fx equals 6x minus 7 over negative 2x plus 2. So let's identify u and v first. U is going to be the top part of the fraction and v is going to be the bottom part. So u is going to equal 6x minus 7. V is going to equal negative 2x plus 2. And in order for us to find u prime and v prime, you're going to have to take the derivative of u and v. So for u prime, you take the derivative of 6x minus 7, and 7 is a constant number, so it'll just go to 0. So the derivative of 6x would just equal 6. And you do the exact same thing for v. So the derivative of 2x would just be negative 2. So now we're going to actually solve the problem. So it's going to be f prime of x since we're finding the derivative. And now you're just going to plug u and v in for the quotient rule formula. So v equals negative 2, you have to put it in parentheses, I'm sorry, negative 2x plus 2 times u prime, which is 6, minus u, which is 6x minus 7, times v prime, which is negative 2. And remember, this is all going to be over v squared. So that's v is negative 2x plus 2 squared. Okay, so now we're going to work out the top part of the fraction. So you get f prime of x, and the first thing you're going to do is distribute this 6. So you're going to get negative 12x plus 12. And then you're going to do minus, and keep this part in parentheses. So you're going to do, distribute the 2, negative 2, I'm sorry, and do negative 12x plus 14. And this is all still going to be over the negative 2x plus 2 squared. The next part, we are going to continue simplifying the top. So this time we're going to distribute this negative sign throughout this equation. So we're still going to keep this negative 12x plus 12. Then we're going to distribute the negative sign, so this will make this a plus 12x and a minus 14, all over negative 2x plus 2 squared. Then next we're just going to finish simplifying, which is f prime of x equals, and these are going to cancel out. So then you're left with 12 minus 14, which is going to be negative 2, and once again all over negative 2x plus 2 squared. And there you go. That's the end of the problem.